Hi guys, it's Trains by Perry here. And last night after work, I had a box for the mail call. And this is the next day, and I still have another box that came today on the way to work. I picked it up at the post office. Now, yeah, in yesterday's box was this nice looking charger in Via Rail paint. So we already had a look at that. So let's have a look at this box and see what we got. Now, this box came from a new place that I found online. Um, it's called To Be in Trains, and they are located in Fergus, Ontario. And I thought I'd give them a shot. And this is the box they sent. So we'll just slice it up open here, and I'll show you what I got. It wants to be a pain. There we go. And there we go. So we got more bubble wrap, green stuff, bigger, kind of like little pillows. Okay. So there we go. Now you can probably have an idea what these are. These are the cars that go with the charger. So what do we got here? This is a coach, 2900. Walking, of course. Maybe I'm going to move this box out of the way so you can see them better. There's the coach that I just showed you. And the next one we have is business class car 2600. And notice the price here. This is the price I paid here, $139.50 on that car, and $137.50 on that car. And put that there. And this one is another business class, 2700, $139.50. And we have another coach here at $137.50. So there we have the charger cars. Now all that's left is the cab car, but it's not due out till June. So I guess I'll have to wait. Now I do have to get some more couplers for these, because these couplers apparently aren't that great. So the ones that come on the car. So therefore I will have to get some. Now you're going to probably wonder, why didn't you get those from Otter Valley? Well, Otter Valley's car prices were a little bit more than that I showed you. They were $144 something. So, and I did check out Paris Junction. Their prices were even better than these prices. They were at $129 a car, but they didn't have stock. They said they were going to get more stock in, but I never seen them come in yet. So I went ahead and got them from this guy here at 2B in Trains, and from Fergus, Ontario. And have a look, check him out. He might have some neat stuff there that you might want too. Anyways, it's time for bed for me, and I hope you have a trainific day, and thanks for watching.